guys, welcome back to our channel Glittery Vibes. In case if you haven't subscribed, then please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So today we'll see how to make a doormat out of an old dupatta or a sari. So let's get started. So first we'll take that old dupatta or a sari. We'll just then from one end we'll just cut it into few strips. The strips must be approximately from 4 to 5 inches. Then we'll take 3 such strips. We'll tie it from one end and after tying it we will just start braiding into 3-stranded simple braid. Make sure you don't braid it more tight or more loose. It should be in medium. Then keep braiding it. Then as the strands comes to an end, just take another strand, attach it to the end and then continue braiding as shown in the video. Continue braiding in normal pattern. And then after completion of the braid will become such long. Without tangling it, just take one and hold it into any desired shape you like and start stitching it. Here I have selected to make it in circular shape, so here I am coiling it into circular pattern. You can coil it in any shape you like square, rectangle, any shape. So here just coil it and stitch it. Make sure you stitch it, don't stitch it very tightly. If you stitch it tight, then it will form a bowl shape, which we don't want. It should be flat. And then after few rounds, this is how it will be looking. Continue coiling it until the braid finishes, and here it's ready. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. We will be back super soon with another video. Until then, stay tuned and keep glittering. Thanks.